In this video, I'll teach you how to fix your network, your Wi-Fi network not working on Windows 10 or Windows 11. As you can see, this my Wi-Fi is not working. I cannot connect to any hotspot or router on my laptop. So how can I fix this? Simply go to the startup menu, go to the search bar and search for device manager. Search for device manager and look for network adapter. As you look at my network adapter, click it and go to this. As you can see, this my Wi-Fi is not showing it. It's not any sign of my laptop that have a Wi-Fi connection or anything. Just how to fix this is to go to this action button here. As you can see, this action button here, click it and click this scan for hardware change. Click it and wait for some minutes. It will automatically fix your Wi-Fi. As you can see, this, look at my Wi-Fi connection here. Look at my Wi-Fi connection here. See Broadcom 802 network adapter. It have automatically fixed it. Just cancel this and go to your Wi-Fi. As you can see, look at the let's connect it and see if it's working. I'm looking for my hair. Look at my Wi-Fi here. Press connect. Let's connect it. As you can see, my laptop have officially connected to the internet. Let's enter YouTube or anything to confirm it. Thanks. If you find this video helpful, if this video is helpful to you, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell. So anytime I drop an amazing video like this, you're gonna be the first to get it. Thank you.